Big stocks down in pre-market trading. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. MicroStrategy Incorporated has the look of a market that's going to drop in the early hours on Friday, as pre-market trading certainly doesn't look good. But that being said, I think you've got a situation where sooner or later we are going to see some type of support. It is worth noting that MicroStrategy is below the 200-day EMA now, and very well could be heading to $200. This doesn't surprise me. The only reason for MicroStrategy is to find a place to hold Bitcoin at this point. And as a result, it moves up and down with Bitcoin. So, with that being said, we'll have to see if it can bounce. But right now, this stock looks pretty toxic. As you can see, we have had an earnings call send the market higher, and then an earnings call send the market lower. I think given enough time, MicroStrategy will find its base, but Bitcoin absolutely has to first. Robinhood markets looks like it's going to drop a little bit in the early hours, but unlike MicroStrategy, Robinhood actually has a business. So with that being said, I would watch this area right around the 50-day EMA, but I would also watch the area right around $43, as it has been important in the past as resistance and later support. So I do think there would be some interest there. Most of what I think we're seeing here have nothing to do with the company itself. You can see the earnings and revenue were good at the last earnings call. I think this is just going along with the general malaise of the market. Coinbase also looks as if it is going to open up lower and is treading right around the $201 level in pre-market trading. But Coinbase has a significant amount of support in this general vicinity of $180 to the $200 level. So I do think we're getting closer to the end when it comes to the selling in Coinbase. Volume has picked up a little bit, but nothing drastically. And at this point, I think this is a market that I might be interested in, but I would want to see the bounce so that I could get on the other side of a V shape, if you will, before I started putting money to work. My name's Christopher Lewis. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.